Welcome, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and allow your face to soften. In this session, we will go through a complete blackhead removal and deep skin cleansing process, explained slowly and gently, step by step. This is not rushed, this is not aggressive, this is about care, patience, and respect for the skin. Blackheads form when pores become clogged with excess oil, dead skin cells, and environmental impurities. Our goal today is to cleanse deeply, open the pores safely, remove blackheads gently, and restore balance to the skin. Step 1. Preparing the environment. Before touching the skin, preparation is essential. The room should be clean, calm, and well lit. Hands are washed thoroughly with warm water and antibacterial soap. All tools are sanitized and placed neatly on a clean surface. Clean energy, clean space, clean intention. Step 2. Hair and face protection. The hair is gently pulled back using a soft headband or towel. This prevents oil, dust, or hair products from touching the face during cleansing. The neck and shoulders are covered with a clean towel to maintain comfort and hygiene. Step 3. Initial skin assessment. Before any product touches the skin, take a moment to observe. Look closely at the nose, chin, cheeks, and forehead. Notice where blackheads are most concentrated. Notice skin texture, oiliness, dryness, or sensitivity. Step 4. Gentle makeup and surface cleanse. A mild, non-stripping cleanser is applied to remove surface makeup, sunscreen, and dirt. Circular motions are used, light and slow, no pressure, no scrubbing. This step removes what sits on the skin, not what is trapped inside the pores. Step 5. Warm water rinse. The face is rinsed with lukewarm water, not hot, not cold, just warm enough to relax the skin. Pat dry gently with a soft towel, never rub. Step 6. Second cleanse, deep cleanser. A deeper cleanser is now applied. This cleanser penetrates deeper into the pores, targeting oil buildup. Massage continues for a full minute, allowing ingredients to work, slow movements, even breathing, relaxation. Step 7. Facial steaming preparation. Steaming is one of the most important steps in blackhead removal. Steam softens hardened sebum inside pores, making extraction safer and easier. A facial steamer or warm towel method can be used. Step 8. Facial steaming, 5 to 10 minutes. Warm steam flows gently across the face, pores begin to open naturally, skin becomes soft and receptive. This step should never burn or cause discomfort. If the steam feels too strong, increase distance immediately. Step 9. Cooling pause. After steaming, the skin rests for a moment. This pause allows pores to remain open while the skin stabilizes. Calm, stillness, balance. Step 10. Exfoliation preparation. A mild exfoliating gel or enzyme exfoliant is selected. Avoid harsh scrubs at this stage. The skin is already softened and sensitive. Step 11. Gentle exfoliation. Exfoliant is applied using slow, circular motions. Focus on blackhead-prone areas, nose, chin, and jawline. This step removes dead skin cells that block pores and trap blackheads. Step 12. Rinse and pat dry. The face is rinsed thoroughly with lukewarm water. Skin is patted dry gently. Step 13. Applying softening solution. A blackhead softening solution or toner is applied. This further loosens hardened oil inside pores. Cotton pads are placed on blackhead areas and left for several minutes. Step 14. Skin check before extraction. Before extraction, assess the skin again. Only visible, ready blackheads should be removed. Never force a pore. Step 15. Tool and finger preparation. Extraction tools are sanitized again. Fingers are wrapped in tissue or gloves. Cleanliness prevents irritation and infection. Step 16. Beginning blackhead extraction. Extraction begins slowly. Gentle pressure is applied around the pore, never directly on it, if the blackhead does not release easily. Step 17. Nose area extraction. The nose often contains the most blackheads. Each pore is treated individually. Patience is key. Step 18. Chin and jawline extraction. Blackheads on the chin are often deeper. Extra care is taken to avoid redness. Pressure is minimal and controlled. Step 19. Cheek area extraction. Cheeks are more delicate. Only clearly visible blackheads are removed. No squeezing, no digging. Step 20. Forehead extraction. Forehead blackheads are usually smaller. A light touch is essential. Step 21. Immediate soothing spray. After extraction, a soothing mist or thermal water is sprayed onto the skin. This calms redness and refreshes the face. Step 22. Antibacterial toner application. A gentle antibacterial toner is applied to prevent infection. This also begins the pore tightening process. Step 23. Clay or charcoal mask preparation. A clay or charcoal mask is prepared. These masks absorb excess oil and purify pores deeply. Step 24. Mask application. The mask is applied evenly across blackhead-prone areas. Avoid eyes and lips. Step 25. Mask rest time, 10 to 15 minutes. The skin rests while the mask works, oil is absorbed, pores are detoxified. Relaxation is encouraged during this time. Step 26. Mask removal. The mask is removed gently using warm water, no pulling, no harsh rubbing. Step 27. Cold water splash. A splash of cool water helps close pores naturally. Skin feels refreshed and tight. Step 28. Pore tightening toner. A pore tightening toner is applied gently with cotton or hands. This seals pores and prevents future blackhead formation. Step 29. Hydrating serum application. Hydration is essential after extraction. A lightweight serum restores moisture and balance. Step 30. Calming gel or aloe layer. A calming gel soothes the skin, reducing redness and irritation. Step 31. Facial massage. Light. A short, gentle massage increases circulation and relaxation. Step 32. Eye area care. Eye cream is applied with tapping motions, never rub. Step 33. Moisturizer application. A non-comedogenic moisturizer seals hydration and protects the skin barrier. Step 34. Sunscreen, if daytime. If this routine is done during the day, sunscreen is essential. Step 35. Final skin assessment. Observe the skin, notice clarity, notice smoothness, notice calmness. Step 36. Aftercare instructions. Avoid makeup for at least 12 hours. Avoid touching the face, drink water, rest. Step 37. Long-term blackhead prevention tips. A cleanse twice daily, or exfoliate weekly. Use clay masks regularly or avoid heavy oils, and maintain hydration. Step 38. Redness calming serum application. A redness calming serum is gently applied using light tapping motions. This serum contains soothing ingredients such as centella, chamomile, or niacinamide. Each tap signals comfort to the skin. The skin begins to relax. Step 39. Barrier repair focus. Now the focus shifts to rebuilding the skin barrier. A barrier repair essence or cream is applied slowly across the face. This step strengthens the skin and prevents moisture loss after extraction. Step 40. Micromassage for absorption. Using minimal pressure, a micromassage is performed. Movements are upward and outward, encouraging absorption without stimulation. The skin absorbs nutrients quietly. Step 41. Cooling mask application. A cooling gel or sheet mask is placed over the face. Instantly, the skin temperature lowers, inflammation decreases, the skin feels safe and protected. Step 42. Mask rest period. 10 minutes. During this time, the skin rests completely, no movement, no touch. Deep hydration penetrates the layers of the skin. Step 43. Mask removal and gentle pressing. The mask is removed slowly. Remaining essence is pressed into the skin using soft palms. Never wipe, never drag. Step 44. Pore sealing treatment. A pore sealing toner or ampoule is applied carefully to blackhead-prone areas. This helps minimize the appearance of pores and prevents future clogging. Closing speech. Blackhead removal is not about force. It is about understanding the skin, listening to it, and caring for it gently. Healthy skin is calm skin. Clean skin is balanced skin. Beautiful skin begins with patience. Thank you for allowing this time for yourself.